Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be testing our new Siterwell smoke alarms in our house today. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Fire, incendie. Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
So yeah, just went ahead and tested the Siterwell smoke alarm up there. What's interesting is that it actually only just sounds the one local units. So it does not sound all of the units. If it were to actually go off from a fire, then it would sound all of the entire units. But when you test it, it just sounds the only one unit you are testing on. So, yeah.
Fire, incendie.
So yeah, that one is blinking red, but that one isn't going. This sounds the one that we're testing on.
Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
So yeah, now got that smoke alarm up down there. Now we're going to do another one. It's the third and final one. Can't do that one up there because it's really high up. So, like, yeah, right here. That one's a really high up smoke alarm, but we're going to do one more, which is right here. So yeah, here we go.
Fire, incendie. Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
Alright. All of our smoke alarms in our house have all been tested. Except for the one up high up there. Which, this one I think we need to use like a broomstick in order to activate. So, yeah, I just tested all of the smoke alarms in our house. So yeah, those are all of the Siterwell smoke alarms that we have up here in our house. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then right here, just another safety check. Here are the fire extinguishers that we have here in our house. So yeah, this is a Class BC Kidde fire extinguisher right here. And we have another Class BC Kidde fire extinguisher right here. So yeah, Class BC fire extinguishers mean that it is capable of putting out liquid fires and electrical equipment fires. This is not Class A, which can put out the cardboard combustible fires. And if that fire were to happen in our house, we would have to use a bucket of water or a garden hose if it's outside of our house. So, or just bring the garden hose inside of our house to put it out. So, yeah, let's did some fire safety checks of our house. And yeah, we're all good. Also, you can see our fire extinguishers at the green line, which means it's all filled up. And same thing goes with that one. That's also at the green line, so that means it's also filled up, ready to be used on a Class BC grease fire or electrical fire. So yeah, it's got the smoke alarms done. All of them are working. The alarm piezos are working. They're loud. So yeah, we'll all be protected. So yeah. If the alarm sounds, leave the building, and if the fire is small, use the fire extinguisher. So yeah, thank you everyone. Yeah, let's keep on being safe.